In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sign-up form in Brevo. We'll go through the process step by step, ensuring everything is clear and straightforward. Let's begin by opening a new tab on your web browser. In the search bar, type Brevo and press Enter. Once the results appear, click on the first link to access the Brevo website. If you already have an account, you'll want to go ahead and log in using your credentials. If not, you'll need to create an account, but for today's purposes, we'll assume you are already a member. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand side of the screen where the sidebar is located. Navigate to the section labeled Contacts, and from there, click on Forms. This is where we'll be able to create our sign-up form. Now, you'll see an option to create a subscription form or add new form. Click on that option. At this point, you'll be prompted to give your form a descriptive internal name. This is important for keeping your forms organized, especially if you plan to create multiple. Additionally, if your form needs to comply with GDPR, make sure to include those necessary fields by selecting the appropriate options. Brevo provides a user-friendly drag-and-drop editor, allowing you to customize your form with ease. You're encouraged to add elements like text, images, and input fields that are relevant to your needs. The flexibility here means you can tailor your form exactly to your branding and campaign goals. Modify the title, subtitles, and button text to fit your brand's voice and ensure it resonates with your audience. If you want to gather personalized data, consider adding attributes such as first name or any other custom fields you might have created in Brevo. These are handy for segmenting your audience or personalizing communication down the line. Also, to keep your sign-up list free from spam, it's a good idea to incorporate a CAPTCHA. This step is crucial in maintaining the integrity of your data collection. Once your form looks good, decide where you want to store new subscriber information. Select the contact list, ensuring it aligns with your marketing strategy. Next, consider the confirmation method for new sign-ups. You have a few options. A double confirmation, which is great for verifying high-quality leads. A simple confirmation that adds the contact immediately, or adding them without any confirmation. Choose the method that best suits your needs. After a submission, you'll want your users to see clear success or error messages. Customizing these messages improves user experience by providing immediate feedback. When satisfied with your form, click Save or Done to finalize your creation. Lastly, head over to the Share section where you'll find options to either get a direct link to your form or to grab the HTML embed code for inclusion on your website. This flexibility ensures you can seamlessly integrate your sign-up form wherever it's needed. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in creating your sign-up form in Brevo.